In this video, I am going to show you a couple of ways that you can check on your students' progress in Career Cruising. The very first step is to log into your Career Cruising Advisor homepage. You should have that information and then just hit Submit. You should come to a screen that looks similar to this with some blue options here on the left, and then you should have a My Students section, and certainly you'll have another number other than 0. And you'll view your student list of your SSR students by choosing this or clicking on that. You'll come to a screen that looks something like this. I have moved it a little bit so that you can't see student names in case this video gets to somebody outside of our district. But from this page you'll be able to go to this menu. We're going to use two options on it. The first option is going to be login history. So let's go ahead and look at login history for this student. Okay, so the login history for this student will appear, and it will show the very first time that they logged into Career Cruising, first time they used it, and for this person it was August of 2017. And then it will show the most recent time that this person was logged into Career Cruising, and you will see that this person logged in on December 5th. That's the last time that they were logged in, and they were on Career Cruising for a little over 11 minutes. Another way we can look at work that our students have done on Career Cruising is we can go to view their portfolio. So let's go ahead and choose that. When you view a student's portfolio, you should see a couple of things for all students. Every student should have a Career Matchmaker results list, because if they don't have this, then they have not completed the Career Matchmaker. Another thing that all students should have would be the Career Matchmaker Career Cluster recommendations, and that's based on the list above, and Career Cruising does that for them. They don't have to do anything other than take the Matchmaker to have these two things show up. Selected level of education is what the student has chosen, careers they want to look at in terms of whether it's just requires a high school diploma, community college, or university work. So this should also appear, but they may have variances. There might be a variety of answers here. Some students may just have high school, some may have high school, community college, some may have all three. Every student, I believe, has done the learning styles inventory, so they should all have this. And then from this point on, there could be some variation. So if they have put into Career Cruising life goals, career and life goals, or any journal entries, then it would appear here. If, however, they haven't put any journal entries in, or they haven't put any career or life goals into Career Cruising, it will not show here. This is an example of a middle school student, so it's not going to be as extensive as a high school student, but there could be a few more things on here, and I'm going to show you what a high school student looks like just so you can compare. Okay, so this is one of our high school students' portfolios, and again you'll see based on his last Matchmaker results, these are the top 10 careers that it has narrowed down based on his answer choices. It will provide this automatically, and then this student selected the level of education they were interested in. Learning styles again is the same. Now this student in Career Cruising has saved careers that interest me, and he has saved 3 careers. He has also saved a school that interests him and a major that interests him. And so difference from this and the middle school student are, first of all, these 3 things right here. And had the middle school student saved any careers or schools or majors, which they haven't been instructed to save schools or majors yet, but had they done that, it would appear here. Okay. Then for high schoolers, you will see education plan or course planner, and it will show every class that they've taken in their high school career that they've received a semester grade for. So that will appear in this section. So junior high students will not have this. Then there will be a section of career and life goals only if the student put those into Career Cruising. And this student has evidently gone into the extracurricular activities and marked down things that he has been a part of, and also gone into hobbies and interests in career cruising and listed the things that he has enjoys as hobbies or has interest in. He has put information in skills and abilities. He's listed work experience, volunteer experience, and also put in journal entries. So this is a pretty extensive portfolio, and I believe this is the document we will print off and use in our student-led conferences, because it can pull so much information from career cruising and from their transcript of high school classes. And we can print this and have the parents, teacher, and student review this and create discussion there at our student-led conferences. So if they don't put it in career cruising, it will not be pulled to this document. So that's why it's important for us to follow up with our students to make sure that they are following the instructions and what they're supposed to be doing for career cruising. So if you have questions about these two ways to check on your students, let me know. Thank you.